guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a Sun Protect clothing haul. Summer can sometimes bring harsh conditions requiring extra layers to shield from the sun. But with Savannah Sun Protect, you don't have to compromise on style. Summer should be all about enjoying the season and looking great while doing it. Melting in the summer heat is not a vibe. So what if you could stay cool and look hot at the same time? I have a bunch of fun sun protection that you can actually wear on your body. Not just apply, actually wear literal sun protection clothing. And I also have accessories that will really help you get through the summer season while looking chic at the same time. I'm gonna start with the accessories first because I got a bunch of fun sun hats and sunglasses. Look at this fabulous little beach hat. This is like a visor hat with your little beachy handbag. Tell me this is not the perfect summer look. This dress is also from Savannah, by the way. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. But this outfit is giving me all the summer feels. I absolutely love this visor, and visors are especially great if you want to have like a travel day, an exploration day, and you don't want to have a big sun hat to carry. This is a really nice lightweight hat that will look cute with so many different outfits. By the way, you can wear this with a cotton shirt, with shorts, with a little sundress, with a skirt, with pants. Visors look great with a lot of different things. And then of course we do love sun hats, so I had to get this big sun hat. It makes me feel so cute. The perfect hat to take on the beach on a regular city day with a nice white t-shirt and a pair of jeans even. You can wear this fun hat and it looks so cute and summery. I love how huge this hat is. Look at it. It's so cute. And I loved it so much, I had to get it in a beige as well. I think a white hat and a beige hat, they're so versatile. Both of them can be styled in so many different ways with so many different outfits. And both of these colors will go with any color in your wardrobe. So I absolutely love both of these hats and I really like both the colors, so I got both of them. Now let's talk about the sunglasses. I got 4 pairs of sunglasses and they come in this really nice packaging. You can see it looks like a white PU leather kind of case, and these are the first ones I got. Oh my god, look at these. I love how fierce they are. I absolutely love the angle on them. These are such a vibe. I cannot wait to wear them out. They look so chic. They're all black, but this little gold rim just does something to them. Then I got these. I really like how subtle and nice they are. They're very thin and small, like the kind of trending frames right now we're seeing all over. They have like a little gold detail on the sides, and I really like them. They're not as loud. They're definitely kind of subtle, but they still look pretty sophisticated, and I love how they sit on my face. Then I got these. I'm not sure about these. They're kind of a funky pair. You guys tell me, how do you feel about these? I think they're a statement. They're not bad. There's definitely an outfit that I can wear with these sunglasses. I do like to have different kinds of styles of sunglasses in my wardrobe, and I thought this would be a good one to pick up. These ones I think are my favorite from all of the ones that I picked up. They're so 2000s like, and they're so subtle. They match with my hair color, they go with my skin tone. They look pretty subtle and very sophisticated, and they're kind of big as well, so they will give me a lot of sun protection. I love the gold rim on top. As you can see, I love to wear gold accessories, so they will go with all of my accessories as well. And you tell me, what do you think about these? Which ones did you love? I think these are my favorite. Then I really like these black ones as well because I thought these were pretty statement and they would look really, really beautiful with like an all black outfit. That would be so hot. Gold accessories. But these, oh my god, I don't want to take these off. So this is the first jacket I got, and I actually got a bunch of jackets for the summertime. You would think I'm crazy, but trust me girls, I love wearing full sleeves in the summertime. It protects me from tanning and it also protects me from the harmful harsh UVA and UVB rays of the sun. This jacket is made out of such a lightweight material. This fabric is so breathable. This is actually a windbreaker jacket. So if it's really windy outside, if it's really dusty, this is something that I would wear. It's so lightweight, you could literally just bunch it up and throw it in your bag and carry it around. There's literally no weight to it. These breezy jackets make sun protection feel really effortless. It's so easy to put this on. Plus it also elevates your outfit, so you don't have to compromise on style for sun protection. Trust me, when I used to go to college, college, I used to love things that came with a hood, because then if I'm traveling in a rickshaw or an auto, I could just put this hood all over me and then close myself up, and I would be protected from the pollution, from the dust. So if you commute every day in public transport, this is such a good idea. These garments will not only protect you from the sun, but also from pollution, from dust. They're so breathable and lightweight. They're like cooling fabrics. So this was the first jacket I got. Let me show you the next one. The next jacket I got is this one, and this is actually a cooling jacket. I don't know how to explain this to you, but this fabric is like magic. It is so thin and lightweight, and I somehow feel cooler with it than without it. This is the perfect thing to wear if I'm going out in a crowded market and I want to wear full sleeves, because there are so many people. I don't want to be touching anyone, and I also of course want to be safe from the sun, dust, pollution, all of that. This is just the perfect thing to throw on top of your outfit, and it will provide protection from the sun as well and keep you cool. This is the perfect thing to wear because it's a light, airy, breathable fabric. You're not going to be sweaty or hot or humid in this. It's going to keep you cool. It's the perfect thing to wear at the gym as well, I feel like. And it looks so cute, and I do miss my jackets in the summer season, because jackets are a thing you associate with the winter time, but once you wear these jackets, you'll understand what I mean. These fabrics, all of them are just so comfortable to wear, perfect for the summertime. Let me move on to the next jacket. This next jacket I think is one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with thumb holes. Anything with thumb holes is just so cute. And again, this is a cooling jacket. This is also the perfect jacket to wear at the gym. Such a cute little beige cropped kind of jacket to throw on your outfit, and it looks so cute. This is truly like sunblocking tech with fits that you'll actually want to wear. Even if you just want to go out for a grocery run and you don't want to slather SPF all over the body, that's when I love wearing these sunblock garments. If you're going on a road trip and you don't want to feel greasy on your body, you don't want to apply sunscreen all over yourself, which technically on a long road trip you should, but if you're going out for a grocery run, you know that we are supposed to protect our skin from the sun no matter what, and that means the whole of your body, not just your face. So these garments are perfect to wear if you're just going to step out in the sun for a little bit, if you're taking your dog out for a walk, if you're just gonna get some milk from the grocery store. So this is something that you can throw on and feel safe from the sun. I am so happy that things like this are coming to India. This is one of the first brands that I've seen to do something like this, to make our lives so much more convenient and easier and stress-free while keeping us cool in the hot summer season. This is the cutest on-the-go fit. Maybe I should be wearing pants to protect myself from the sun as well, but look at this cute ass fit. Oh my god, this jacket is giving me all the feels, and it comes with pockets, which is so cute. This is the last jacket I got, and this is also a cooling jacket, and I absolutely love this one. I think this and the beige one are my top two favorites. I really like the red windbreaker as well, and the white jacket of course is gonna go with everything, so technically I love all of them. And I got these wonderful colors. This is a really nice blush pale pinky color, and then there's a beige one, there's a red one, so these colors go with everything. This is like a more relaxed fit jacket. The last one that I showed you, the beige one, was like a more cropped fitted jacket. This is a really nice, cozy, easy, relaxed fit jacket that you can wear out in the sun to protect yourself. Even if you drive to your office every day, if you drive to your college every day, this is something that you can wear on your body, so you don't have to apply sunscreen all over your body, because your hands do get tanned when they're on the wheel. You also get a lot of direct sunlight when you're driving. So if that's something you do every day, I highly recommend investing in a few sun protection jackets from Savannah. They're gonna serve you long term. If you're a daily driver, you can just put one of these in your car, and this can be like your car jacket that stays in your car, and you just pop it on as soon as you get in your car. So I love this idea of sun protection wear. I'm so impressed with these fabrics and how they feel on the skin, and the most important factor, of course, that you're not gonna feel hot. You know how hot it gets in Delhi. It goes above like 45 degrees Celsius. It's crazy. Of course, you want to wear something that's gonna keep you cool and sweat free, and this is your solution. Now we are done with sun protection wear, but I also got two really cute outfits which I really want to show you, so let me put them on. Look at this fit, you guys. Burgundy is such a huge color. It was a huge color last year and it's a huge color this year as well. Burgundies and reds and shades of reds and cherry reds and all of that. I saw this top and I was obsessed with how it draped on the body and how it looked. And the fabric is so nice and stretchy. This is the perfect outfit for office. If you're a corporate girly, this is your look. It's so awesome. Of course, you'd be wearing court shoes, not open toe shoes like me. But I did want to pick up a few formal outfits as well if I have a meeting or if I want to look a little bit more presentable, be taken a little bit more seriously. This is something I would show up in. And these pants, they are so fun. They are asymmetrical pants, which I absolutely love. Basics but a little bit different, and I love the pinstripes on them. Pinstripes always give that old money chic vibe. I absolutely love this fit and I had to pick it up. And even though this is a sun protection wear haul, I wanted to show you some really cute fits that I got as well. All of these outfits will be linked down below for you guys. Let me show you my last outfit for this video. I got this really amazing cotton shirt. It's a pinstriped cotton shirt. Again, gives total old money vibes, especially with my white jeans, which I also got from Savannah. I love these. The length is kind of fun because you can see my heels, but you can also totally wear these with like a pair of sneakers as well. I think this is such a summer look. These colors are so summer. I love like a pastel moment in the summertime, and a blue and white striped shirt is always in trend. It's a classic. It's something that is going to stay in your wardrobe for years and years to come, and a shirt is just timeless in my opinion. It's a perfect old money, old vibe summer look that will always be fabulous and you'll always look stylish. I think it looks cuter with this hat. A visor is just a little bit more convenient, but this hat also looks so cute with this outfit. This is your ticket to looking effortlessly stylish. Curate a wardrobe that you can keep in your closet for time and time again. And a white pair of jeans you can totally recycle so many outfits with. I just absolutely love this look. So fun. These sunglasses look really nice with this hat because you can just see the bottom portion and it's like a total vibe. It would make a really beautiful picture moment. Okay, lastly guys, I got this really nice relaxed Henley tee. It's so soft, so comfortable. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. This is gonna be perfect if you're just going for a quick run somewhere and you wanna pop something on that's comfortable. It's perfect to wear around the house, perfect to lounge around, and it's so soft and comfy. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this fabric is just ultra uber soft and comfortable, and I really loved this beige shade. It's a really nice relaxed fit as well, so it's super comfortable to wear throughout the day. I got this in 3 colors, so this is the beige one. Then this one is like a really nice light heather gray kind of color. I love these lighter colors in the summer season. I don't really like to wear a lot of darker colors in the summers other than black sometimes. Super comfortable to wear. I think I'm gonna live in these tees. And then I got this really cute light butter yellow shade. Butter yellow is also a huge color right now. And of course I love pastels. They make me feel so nice in the summertime. Just light, fresh, airy, breathable, light reflecting colors that make you feel cool. And I know I'm just gonna get so much use out of all of these t-shirts and these amazing sun protection jackets. Definitely don't forget to check all of these items out. Everything is gonna be linked down below. Like I said, at least pick up one jacket, try for yourself, see how you feel. You are definitely gonna wanna keep them on hand. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do give me a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future fun videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Bye!